In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule posts directly on X, formerly known as Twitter. It's a fantastic tool if you're aiming for consistency in your posting schedule, need to reach your audience across different time zones, or simply want to plan ahead without the hassle of being online at specific times. Let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to start on your desktop. Head over to your computer and open your preferred web browser. Once you're there, navigate to x.com and log in using your credentials. If you're not already signed in, make sure you have your username and password handy. Once you're logged into your account, you'll see your feed. Depending on the layout of your screen, you'll notice a post button either on the bottom left corner or right at the top of your feed. Go ahead and click on that button. This is where the magic happens. After clicking post, you're taken to the post creation window. Here you can compose your post. Whether you've got a clever tweet ready, an eye-catching image, a witty GIF, an impactful video, or perhaps a poll to engage with your followers, this is the place to put it all together and prepare it for the world to see. Now let's focus on the scheduling part, which is why we're here. At the bottom of your post creation window, glance towards the icons available. Among them, you'll find one that looks like a calendar or a clock. This is your schedule icon. Clicking on this icon will open up the scheduling tool. In the scheduling tool, you'll be prompted to pick the date and time that you'd like your post to go live. You might want to consider the peak times when your audience is most active for optimized engagement. Use the calendar to choose the exact day and then move on to the time selector to fine-tune precisely when your post will make its debut on the platform. With your preferred date and time set, you're almost done. The next step is to click Confirm. But don't stop just yet. This is followed by clicking Schedule. Confirming first ensures that your timing is locked in, and the scheduling option ensures that your planned post is securely on the way to automation. And there you have it. You've successfully set your post to be published at a designated future date and time, making your life a little bit easier and your social media presence a bit more seamless. Isn't technology amazing? By following these straightforward steps, you're now equipped to manage your social media content more efficiently. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy scheduling!